In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links in Unbounce. By the end, you'll have clickable social icons on your landing page that guide visitors to your profiles without distracting from your main conversion goals. You'll only need a third-party widget provider, your social profile URLs, and access to your Unbounce page. First, head to a widget site such as Common Ninja and create a social media links widget. In the widget editor, add the full URLs for each profile you want to feature, like your Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube pages. Most editors let you choose icon style, color, size, alignment, and whether links open in a new tab. Try to keep the design consistent with your brand, and preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile. If your audience is mobile first, make the icons slightly larger for easy tapping, and keep the row clean. 4 to 5 icons is plenty for most pages. When your widget looks the way you want, click Add to Website or the equivalent option. You'll be given an embed code, which is a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript. Copy that code to your clipboard. Keep the widget tab open in case you want to tweak styling later. Any updates there will usually reflect on your page after you republish. Now open Unbounce and load the landing page you want to edit. In the builder, decide where the icons should live. Common spots include the header, near a bio section, or in the footer. From the left sidebar, drag a custom HTML or custom code HTML block onto the canvas and place it exactly where you want the icons to appear. Use Unbounce's guides to align the block and leave enough spacing around it so the icons don't feel cramped. Click the HTML block to open its dialog. Then paste in the embed code you copied earlier. Save or insert the code to close the dialog. You may see a placeholder in the editor. That's normal. If your builder shows a preview, check that the icons appear and that the layout looks tidy. Finally, save your changes and republish the page. Republishing is what pushes the embed live, so don't skip this step. Open the live URL in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window to confirm the icons display correctly and the links open to the right profiles. Give it a quick mobile check too. If something looks off, adjust the widget settings, republish, and refresh the live page. That's it. Your Unbounce page now features clean, working social media links.